if you want to stop no caller ID calls on your iPhone, so in this video I will give you two methods on how to do that. For the first method, just go to Settings, and at the bottom of the page, just tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the phone app, then tap on it. Now on this page, you will find the option of silence unknown callers. Now just enable this option. And after you enable this option, your iPhone will silence unknown callers, which are calls with no caller ID, and it will forward all these calls to your voicemail. Now this was the first method. For the second method, just go back to the main settings page. Now this time, just tap on Focus. Select Do Not Disturb mode. Now from here, just tap on People. Now on this page, just tap on Allow Calls From. Now instead of everybody, just select Contacts Only. And after you do that, now if you enable Do Not Disturb mode on your iPhone, you will not receive no caller ID calls when Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And this is how you can stop no caller ID calls on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.